everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent and normal of the curve y equals x squared at x equals negative 2. We're going to draw the graph of the curve and the tangent and normal line together. We're using this definition of the difference quotient to get our slope. So this is going to equal your slope. And we have f here, but in this case we have y. So I'm going to write this as the limit as h approaches 0. Instead of f, let's just use y. And we're going to, our x is negative 2, so it's negative 2 plus h minus y of negative 2 divided by h. All right, now let's substitute. Our y is x squared, so this is going to be the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 2 plus h squared. That's like your x minus negative 2 squared. So I'll divide it by h. This equals the limit as h approaches 0. And let's expand our trinomial. We're going to get 4 minus 4h plus h squared. And this piece is going to be minus 4. I'll divide it by h. Now what happens is the 4's cancel. Now I'm going to factor out an h. So we get the limit as h approaches 0. You factor out an h. That's going to give you negative 4 plus h divided by h. Or you could just divide each piece by h. All right, and you substitute in the 0 here, you're going to get negative 4. So our slope equals negative 4. Now let's find the equation of the tangent line. So that one, we're going to know that the slope is negative 4, and it passes through the point at x is negative 2 and y comma negative 2. So when you substitute in negative 2 here, you're going to get 4. So it passes through the point negative 2 comma 4. All right, so let's write our equation. It's going to be y minus 4 equals negative 4 times x minus a negative 2. So it's going to be plus 2. So it's going to equal y equals negative 4x minus 8, and then add 4 to both sides, plus 4. This gives you y, and this is our tangent, equals negative 4x minus 4. So the tangent line is, I'll write it this way, negative 4x minus 4. Now the normal is your perpendicular. So this is your tangent. So your normal slope is just going to be the negative reciprocal, which is 1/4. It still passes through this point. So you have y minus 4 equals 1/4 times x plus 2. Or y equals 1/4 x, and that's going to be 1/2, and add the 4. You add the 4, that's like adding 8 divided by 2. So this is going to equal 1/4 x plus 9/2. All right, so let's go ahead and graph this all together. For y equals x squared, this is pretty simple here. So 2 maps to 4, negative 2, 3 goes to 9. And it's symmetric, so it makes it a little easier to graph. Okay, so let me try to connect all this up. Something like that. And then we have this coming down like this. All right, so there's that. And then for your tangent line, that's y equals negative 4x minus 4. So the y-intercept is negative 4. We know it passes through this line here. So here's your y-intercept. You can use your slope to go up 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So it's going to be something like this. Let me do this a little better. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So So it's going to go through like this. Touches right there. All right. It's kind of hard to graph on this. And then your perpendicular line, or your normal, is y equals 1/4 x plus 9/2. And 9/2 is about 4.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4.5. And then you can go down 1/4. Oh, it's a positive line, yeah, so that's good. All right, so it's going to be like this. All right. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.